Happy Thanksgiving! Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for dropping by. Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I have this beautiful look for you guys that I created for a family Thanksgiving dinner. I played with some dark colors today, so I have like a bit of a smoky eye going on, and I am wearing this animal snakeskin pattern kind of dress, which I got from Shein, and I have minimal accessories, just some studs and my engagement wedding ring, and that's about it. And yeah, this look is very minimal and it requires the minimal effort. You don't really need a lot of stuff to get this look, even though it looks like it requires a lot of effort. But trust me, I achieved this look so easily with bare minimum stuff. So I hope you guys will like the video and continue watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I let my hair down, put my lipstick on and lashes on, and voila, this is what I look like. I hope you guys like this video. It was a very quick get ready with me kind of video. It was a very quick look. Requires minimal effort, minimal products, minimal brushes. It's amazing, and I really hope you guys like this video. I look forward to seeing all those lovely comments from you guys and the messages that you guys send me. So please make sure if you haven't done so, like, subscribe, comment down below, follow me on Instagram, and share this video as much as you can. It will mean so much to me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!